Hi, this is Bryon with All American Eyeglass Repair. I want to go over one common question that we get. How do I keep my acetate or plastic frames from slipping down my face? With plastic frames, when you buy them, you have these built-in pads that are a part of the frame here. With this here, it offers no slippage protection there, so your glasses are constantly sliding down. What we can do here is shave down these built-in pads and then actually install these titanium adjustable nose pad arms. The pad arms are actually equipped with the soft silicone nose pads, so that way you can prevent your glasses from slipping down. Another frame I want to go over is the metal frame. Your metal frames already have your adjustable nose pad arms built into them. So what you can do is, if you're having problems with your eyeglasses slipping down, you can go into your eye care provider and they can adjust these nose pad arms to your nose there. Now, if this doesn't work, All American Eyeglass Repair can switch out these hard plastic pads with a softer silicone pad, also referred to as a non-slip silicone pad. If this is an issue that you're having, feel free to visit our website, AmericanEyeglassRepair.com, because you need to see now.